Hello and welcome to another Bocada product demonstration video. Today I will introduce you to the newest addition to Bocada's award-winning product line. Our new addition, Prism Lite, provides the key information administrators need from a backup and reporting solution. It allows users to monitor the health of their data protection environment. Also including in this monitoring is trending and storage analysis. What's unique about Prism Lite is that when the user is ready, Prism Lite functionality can be extended to provide administrators and MSPs with a full service management solution. Users will be able to seamlessly transition to this new product, be able to report on the historical data that's been captured by Prism, and present this information in its new modules. So let's take a look at this new solution by Bocada. When you log into the web interface, you'll immediately be placed into the Health Check summary screen. Here you can report on the backup health, restore health, storage analysis from the largest server's perspective, and also from the largest clients in your environment. Just like in the full Prism product, you can immediately make changes to this dashboard to report on any of the reports that you may seem more important than just maybe restore health or storage analysis. Also with Prism Lite, you have the ability to email any of these reports just by specifying a user, a subject, and if you want to attach the report, you can attach it in PDF, CSV, text, or XPS format. So let's take a look at some of the reports that you'll get. When trying to understand how the environment is behaving, the first place you'll want to take a look at is job trends. Here you'll see a full list of all the backup servers and the performance of the backup jobs against those servers. When you select a particular server in the list, at the very bottom, Prism will show you the clients that are associated with that master server or backup server and how those jobs performed. Here's where you'll be able to find the detailed information about the job and also what assets were being protected. So in this case, if I wanted to figure out what happened on 12/2, I'll click on this particular red X and now be able to see the job details just as if I was looking at the backup product itself. By expanding out the client message information, I can quickly see that there were some VSS errors related to this backup, and in this case this is a backup exec server, so I'll be able to troubleshoot this with Symantec or on my own. Next, let's take a look at backup trends. With backup trends, I'll be able to understand how much data my environment is backing up on a set range or last 30 days, or however I customize this report. Here I can quickly see that there has been some fluctuation in data, so either I have added new servers to my environment, or there's been something else going on in the environment that may require some more investigation. These reports allow you to drill down to find out more information about what was going on in the environment. Here, I'm presented with a great deal of information, so if I want to try to narrow down my focus of troubleshooting, I can pick any one of these columns and do what's called grouping. Once grouped, now I can have a better view of my environment, and by selecting the backup server, the master server I want to troubleshoot and want to get more information on, I can now see a summary of how that server performed. So in this case, I'm doing roughly about 24 gigs worth of data. Next, let's take a look at duration trends, trying to see how long these backup jobs are running against all the various backup servers in my environment. Here I'd be looking for trends as far as if I know that my backup job should run in a certain amount of time, are they truly performing that way? I can also get an idea of what servers are taking the most time to run their backup jobs. And I can also drill down to find out more information about a certain particular server. Just like in backup trends, I can narrow down my focus by just trying to group against servers, and then focus on a particular server in my infrastructure. Prism automatically tailors the information based on the server that you grouped to show you the amount of time this particular backup server has been running its backup jobs. Media usage gives me a good understanding of how backup to disk folders or media is being utilized in my environment. Here I can get a quick glance as to how many media volumes each backup server is using. And if I wanted to drill down to see if I'm using disk or tape or a combination of both, I can quickly get that information from Prism Lite. And also, just like in the previous sections, I can group against a particular server or client or zone and find out specific information. So that Prism Lite is a lighter version of the full Prism product. What does it not have? Well, if you look at some of the other sections, you'll notice that they're grayed out. This means that those sections are unavailable in the Prism Lite product, but can be enabled by upgrading by simply adding in a new license to the full Prism product. Once you've done that, you're now utilizing the full data protection service management functionality of Prism, so you can start looking at change analysis, SLAs, policies, and also create some custom reports. Thank you for taking time out of your day to review the Prism Lite product. If you have any questions, you can reach us at www.bocada.com or send an email to sales@bocada.com. Thank you and have a great day.